Alright, this is what a real 30-centimeter good old Canadian snowstorm looks like. This is my deck. There's my barbecue. There's my back steps. And right now I'm trying to find my dog. She's somewhere around here, and we'll see if we can find her. Look at these steps. Oh my gosh. I got a big job of shoveling to do. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Lucy! Lucy, come on! Come on, baby, come on! Here comes Lucy through the snow. Watch her run. It's gonna be great. Here she comes. Lucy, come on! Come on! Come on! Here she comes, right through the snow. Whee! And there she goes, down the other way. Okay, where's she going? There's the cars. The cars are pretty much covered in snow. Looks like we got a fort in the snow.
Yeah.
Is there anybody in the fort?
Yeah.
Yay!